next step, we're going to do positioning the patient onto their side. Okay? So I already did my opening. I already grabbed my supplies, which is basically my 3 pillows. Okay? I'm going to set it right here on the table. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and uncover the patient. Alright, Mrs. Smith, if I could have you scoot towards me. Scoot towards me. I'm going to make sure that if I'm going to turn her on that side, that the side rail is up so she doesn't fall out of bed. Alright. We're going to go ahead and raise this left arm. And we're going to bend this right knee. And we're going to go ahead and turn you to your side, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So the first pillow you want to adjust is the head pillow. Make sure it's nice and centered. Okay. The second pillow will be for her back. The other pillow will be for her knee and ankle. So make sure it's going this way and not this way. Okay? It needs to cover the knee and ankle. And this one will be for her arm right here on top. So she's nice and aligned. Okay? And then we're going to go ahead and cover you up, Mrs. Smith. Alright? And this is where you would do your closing procedure.